It's a quick check of the wiring to the motor and the condition of the motor on the Emco with the bow molar permanent magnet brushed DC motor. By turning the chuck in reverse direction, you should see a kick on the ammeter. You see the kick? That's with the minimal amount of turning backwards. I can get to the chuck, zoom out a bit. We'll conduct the same test on a different lathe now. This one is partially dismantled, but it still has the motor connected and the ammeter in position. This is a 110 volt motor. It's one of the earlier types. It's still a permanent magnet brushed DC motor, but it's running at 90 volts as opposed to the 190 on the other lathe. You can see the difference in the construction. And you can see this has got the older type chuck as well, the one that operates with the extended chuck key, K3. Pattern of the chuck key is K3.